Today I want to talk about the CVSA Commercial Vehicle Safety Alliance Blitz that's going to be coming up here on May 13th through the 15th. This is always annual. It's not always quite at the same time. It's pretty close. But a couple of things I want to bring up with the upcoming Blitz is we tend to get emails and we have a little fear about what's coming up. I don't know, fear, maybe anxiety. Whether it's with the drivers, with safety, with maintenance, we all get wound up because it's coming up. And I always tell everybody, when I used to get those emails, I never worried about it because if we're all doing our job, it should just be a normal day. If maintenance is doing their job and fixing the items during the maintenance process and after drivers explain to us what's going on with their trucks and the issues they're having with it, whether it's tires, brakes, lights, you name it, that when he goes through the scale, he shouldn't have to fear what's going on if he's doing his job or she's doing her job. Just as maintenance shouldn't have to fear their job based on the fact that when it came in, we did a good, proper maintenance inspection based on criteria that we follow daily. The driver is our last line of defense. So when you're out there by yourself and you do your good post and pre-trips, you're the only one that knows this truck as well as anybody. In our fleet, we have 560 trucks in our fleet. You need to really get to know your vehicle really well. Find those items that are a problem, bring them to maintenance, and now it's maintenance problem to make sure these items are fixed. That upcoming Blitz, like I said, is May 13th through the 15th. And the focus on this particular inspection is going to be driver logs and driver hours of service, etc. And on the maintenance side, the focus is going to be on tires. And obviously tires are important because tires are the foundation of our vehicle, so we want to make sure tires are always properly maintained. But even though the focus is on two specific items, they're still going to be doing level 1 inspections. And what that means is the inspector is going to be top to bottom, getting underneath the truck, not necessarily in spots that the driver would normally see, but if we're doing good maintenance, hopefully the items found are minimal. One thing to remember is DOT law says that you can't have less than 50% rated tire pressure, and that's the tire pressure that the manufacturer puts on the tire. So for instance, this one is probably 110. If it's 110, you can't be below 55. Whatever you do, never leave a parking lot with a tire below 50%. As soon as you go past that curb, you're illegal and shouldn't be on the road. It's unsafe. Don't be afraid of the inspection. Don't fear the inspection. Don't call in sick because we have inspections on the road. Now, this is an international event. It's held in Mexico, Canada, and the United States. It's the largest Blitz in the world overall due to the volume of trucks that are pulled over.